Hey guys, I received several questions asking how to prevent warping or how to keep your lines straight when tying double half hitch knots. This problem can arise when working on a number of different designs. Last week I shared a couple ways to fix this problem when working on an open square knot pattern. Today I'll be sharing how to fix this problem when working on a tightly knotted section of square knots as seen here. I'll show you what this will look like when you run into this problem. You can already see that this piece is starting to warp. This problem can be fixed using one of two methods. The first is the same as one of the methods I showed you last week. Push your double half hitch knots down your filler cord so that there is less space in between your double half hitch knots. Keep in mind that this method only gets rid of a little bit of space, so if you're finding that this doesn't work, try the next method. Tie a row of knots that alternates between double half hitch knots and half hitch knots. Half hitch knots will not hold on their own, but if you tie them in between double half hitch knots, then there shouldn't be an issue. For this design, I will tie one double half hitch knot, two half hitch knots, then one double half hitch knot, and repeat. I like the look of the second method better as the knots are a little more spaced out. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.